Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have batteries, the remote, and the TV powered. Begin now. Point the remote at the TV and press the pairing or setup button until an LED lights. Once done, enter the first code from the remotes list for your TV brand or start auto search. The remote will send codes sequentially. You need to watch the TV for a response while holding volume or power commands. If the screen responds, stop the search and save the code. This starts the direct control link. Now you refine control. Test power, volume, and input buttons to confirm which functions responded. If a single code gave partial control, try the next code set. Some brands use multiple code families. Once you see correct behavior, press the remote save or enter button to lock that code. If your remote handles multiple devices, switch device mode and repeat configuration for each device, ensuring you press the device mode key first. Make sure to note the saved code for future reference. Finish by power cycling the TV and retesting all functions to ensure settings persist. If power or volume fails, rerun the auto search and stop when the TV reacts, because sometimes the correct code appears later. If the remote locks up or gives inconsistent results, perform a factory reset and start over. That clears conflicting codes. One key troubleshooting tip: if only volume fails, check if TV audio is set to external receiver or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.